All right, good morning, everybody. My name is Banks. I'm also here alongside my other representatives at Good Early Deals, which is Tomiwa and Orolua. So today we're going to be looking at the day 3 of our trading challenge, and this session is being recorded and will be uploaded live on YouTube as a day 3. So yesterday, Monday, we were able to execute trades on GBP USD and XCU USD. We did over 500 pips in profit. And where people were able to make a lot of, I think somebody made about 3.1 million naira on Monday. Somebody else made about, I think 750,000. Somebody made about $250, like that. And testimonies goes on and on and on. So yesterday we did about technically 40 pips plus, or almost relatively 40 pips plus on GBP USD. And then we uploaded all of this analysis live on YouTube. Monday uploaded, Tuesday uploaded. We're not hiding anything from you guys. We might not upload the exact trades, but we upload the system behind them. So yesterday also we had first SL that got hit on XEUSD, and then we had second SL. But funny part was we were able to make about we're able to lock in about technically 500 pips on XEUSD yesterday. It was crazy. The trades were shared openly in the Forex signal room, and we also shared same trades in our Telegram channel. And the analysis behind this was this exact trades that we shared. As you can see, go and watch yesterday's video. I said that you can see a solid reaction when gold pushes down price into this area. And that's exactly what happened. It pushed down price into this area. I said either this area first, is either it comes here, push up, or we have market push down price into this area. But I said if it breaks this high, just know it's going too long. I said it there. You can go and watch the video. It's all there. There's no two ways behind it. So now we have to look for another entry. But now the craziest part is that gold has created every momentum that I expected it to do for the week. Somebody said yes, you said it. Thank God that you were there. Yes, I said it. Thank you for that. So yeah, back to what I was saying. So gold has created every move that I've anticipated for the week in 2 days. Right. So for me, it's either we don't trade today, or we simply just look for possible areas where few markets can react from. Now today's setup, this was a yeah, Jesus of Africa. Oh please, Jesus is in heaven, no. So today's trade setup most likely wouldn't be a trade call per se. It will just be we looking at the market and things that we can actually look out for. So now that we know that on the 4-hour time frame, the market is bullish, right? We know that there's constant buys on the 4-hour. And what we got to do is come down to the 2-hour time frame first off. So first off, quickly, sorry guys, let's look at the daily time frame. What do we have on the daily? The daily is strong bullish, like heavy bullish. This was the previous all-time high that was there, and it has broken past this all-time high and is currently at a new all-time high, which most likely we will expect markets to at some point is supposed to sell. But we're not going to trade what we feel, because anything that goes up must surely come down. Just like here, anything that goes up must surely come down. Anything that goes up must surely come down. Anything that goes up must surely come down. That now at this current up, it must surely go down also. There's no two ways about it. But now, how do we know when it's going to go down? We can't. What we can basically do, we can only trade what we see and not what we feel. Now we come down to the 4-hour as usual. We know that on D1 is bullish. 4-hour it remains bullish. Now we have to come down to we're going to divide the hour by 2. And then if we divide 4, we have 2. So 2 divided by 4. That's we're going to come down to the 2-hour time frame. Now, 4 divided by 2 rather. Sorry, hold on for me. Yeah, 4 divided by 2. Then we have the 2-hour time frame here. Then now that we have the 2-hour time frame here, now we're going to look at it. First off, which zone do you see? Let me explain something called scaling entry, guys. So since this first area that is here, was the first zone where, if you notice, market broke this high, they tested back price into this region and then bought. Now, where is the next relative high that you can see? Is this area. Now, that's the zone. Since that's the zone, what are you mostly expecting? It's two scenarios. Pay attention, please. Don't overcomplicate your chart. Two scenarios. So it's either we have markets push down price one way or the other to this area, pushing price very well and then go up. That's type 1. Or we have markets push down price further into this area to create a new entry. That's type 2. Or you have market push down price into this region to create a type 3. And anything that makes us have a break below this area, if you have a break below this area, just know that market is going to sell all the way down to this zone. So I'll give you 3 types. Let me explain the first one. Listen. If gold should push down price into this first zone, I think it should be your demand area thereabout. If it pushes down price into this zone, it's going to buy. If it fails to push price from here, the second possible zone for a buy is at 28.15 region. After that area, another possible option for buys is at 27.84 region. But if it invalidates this zone and breaks below, if it breaks below 27.72 area, we are going to see XAUUSD sales all the way down to at least 27.47 area. That's like 100 pips, or that should be even more than 100 pips thereabouts. So once you see that sell all the way to this region, then you can now look for a possible buy. Do you understand what I just said now? So the chart remains clear. Let me do a quick recap. Market push down price to 28.30 region, we're expecting gold buys. If it pushes down price to 28.13 region, also gold buys. If you have a push down momentum to like 27.87 area, gold buys. A break below this region at 27.72 region, we're going to see market sell all the way to 27.44. And that's like, if I'm not mistaken, from what I'm saying, that should be like over 300 and something pips for these shorts. So you want to make sure that you try to do a proper analysis and then you ensure that you stay afloat. So now that we already know the possible POIs that we're looking out for, we can now come down to like say 1 hour time frame quickly. That's how you refine. So if we don't see most of these positions play out, it's just to avoid the market, honestly. So then for the 1 hour aspect, we look at it and say, okay, can you see now that they all tally? So the market should just push down prices a bit and then we'll see reactions. So that's it for XAUUSD. Now, let's go to US oil quickly. Let's put it back on 4 hour. Now, 4 hour. So today you guys might be getting US 30 trades. So that's the reason for the challenge. We're not sleeping on one pair. Ore, Tomiwa, US 30, US oil.
Okay.
So instead of we waiting for setups,
what did you say?
instead of we waiting for gold setups or GU setups, US oil, GU, US 30.
For US 30, yeah. Oh, I don't really have. I don't even know the direction. There's not really any clear direction for US 30.
Don't give any particular bias. Okay. We'll look at it together here now.
I could say sell and it won't sell that much.
I feel you. So now this is a 4 hour time frame on US oil. And then what we can clearly see here is market still failing to pick price proper. Now this is 4 hour. Bear in mind that if we go to 1 hour time frame, what we can clearly see there is this US oil. So for me, let's look at it closely on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, let's zoom the chart a bit. Then for me, it is still tentative. Market has been selling, I'm not gonna lie. Break of structure 1, break of structure 2, break of structure 3, break of structure 4. There has been series of breakout structures as market is continually pushing down price and all of that. I can clearly see that. There's nothing to dispute. But nonetheless, from what I'm actually seeing here, I would technically say that the sales is visible. Yeah. Even for this US oil, the sales is visible. US oil sales is visible, but we're going to look at it in the signal room and then decide if we are calling US oil trades. But are the sales visible? Oh yes, the sales are actually visible. So yeah. Now let's go to US 30. 1 hour time frame. First of all, has cleared the gap. We cleared the gap. So I still can't pick a definite trade on US 30. So let's not overcomplicate it. On Monday, I said that I marked out this region because this was the gap. And as at then, market already pushed up price to clear the gap. And since then, as you can see, it has not picked a proper momentum. It has just been short sales with a lot of consolidation. I don't want to get trapped in that. So just avoid it. That's the second pair. Or is that the third pair? That's the third pair. Let's go to GU quickly. What do we have for GBP USD? For GBP USD, let's check. Currently, I'm seeing GU sales, and this is 1 hour time frame first of. 1 hour time frame. One hour time frame GU. One hour time frame GBP USD. I think we're gonna go for sales for GU. Hold on, no, just hold on, let's calm down. All right. We have an internal break of structure here. Then you have short position. I'm gonna be taking a very, very low risk. Who is George? I don't even know who George is. Lord of all peeps. Okay. Thank you guys. So for me, this looks like it should hold. But then don't go around over leverage, you know. If this was gold, I could have told you that this setup might not even hold. I'll see. Because it will most likely break the high and tell you to get out. Mostly, your chances of reversal setups, like setups that are like reversal trades, I don't know that. Your chances of like reversal trades working on XE USD is always very, 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 very slim. But you see setups that will work, I will not say that. This is not, this is This is a public channel. This video will get out and the world will see it. But systems that work, I repeat, it's the little things you don't even pay attention to. You did be so shocked. All right. So hold on for me. Currently here on the live. So yes, this is an opportunity that you can tap into. I think the stop loss is technically like 34 pips. Oh, Ralph said it's on the sales. Like 34 pips. So and just reduce your risk. There we go. Coming. Even US oil sales is looking very visible, but let's not risk that. So yeah, and that's it for GBP USD. As you guys can see, the setup has been marked already. So yeah, pretty much it. And then please bear in mind that you apply risk management so that you don't get caught in between and all of that. And we're going to be sending all of these setups live and even more to the Forex Signal room. So if you know that you want to benefit from the challenge going on, you do the needful, and you also don't get to benefit alone. You get to share all of this with your family and friends so that they can also get to benefit from everything going on and all. Yeah, so you're not the only one. So they're also getting so that they don't kill you with billing, you know, and that's pretty much it. So make sure that you let everybody know. I usually say that I make sure that you let people know where you're going. Continue to take very good care of yourselves. I'll see you guys tomorrow, anyways. And if you have any questions, don't always hesitate to ask us. We're here to guide you guys and assist you. And make sure that you have a wonderful trading month by the grace of God. I'm also giving out 200,000 naira to two people that trade exceptionally well. So you want to make sure that you are in the signal because we're not going to share to people that are not in the signal. We're going to share people that are in the signal because that would be unfair to them. So yeah, you want to make sure that you are actively involved in everything going on. And yeah, you continue to stay safe. So see you guys. Let me stop recording. So let me quickly do a recap. So we talked about XAUSD entries where we marked out like 4 different zones. We talked about US oil. We talked about US 30, and currently we finished it with GBP USD. I'm not really a GJ fan. That's why I didn't show you guys GJ. So we ended it right now um with GBP USD. So tomorrow same time we'll be back by the grace of God. I pray God continues to guide us and protect us. So continue to stay safe, guys. See you tomorrow, and I hope this was worth and you're able to learn something. Bye for now.